Roma Taiplonacas, and I'll be one of your hosts today.
And I'm Mylene Franco, your co-host. We're excited to be with you as we explore how guidance can help us prepare for life and careers.
We'll be with you from start to finish. So relax, enjoy, and feel free to participate. This is your session.
Alright, Nicolisa, ready na ba ka mo? Ready na ka maka-learner? Ready na? No, ano, wala ka kababahaw? Wala ka kababahaw? Piling ka mahaw, tapos sa learner.
Friends, partner, dili. Kung may harap, pati sa exam. Oo, ay gusto ka na mo.
Ay, wala ka na
Wala ka mo?
Pagkatiya kami sa mga tigong niya, ready na ka ba? Yes! So, good morning everyone.
Welcome sa Lakotang Library. O kanamit, isang dear partner.
Yes, very overlooking ang aton nga library there is a ball.
Kani, go ako din yung mga type niya dahil kung tuloy ako nung magkanaw kami kasi mo So, good morning to our instructors, facilitators, and of course, our first year na babies.
So, welcome to our session titled Guidance in Modern World Preparing Students for Life and Career.
So, before we begin, let's go a quick check up ng Danay.
So, excited na ka ba? Raise your hand again. Excited na ka ba? Raise your hand. Hindi ka ba excited? Hindi ka ba excited na maka-learn sa ba? I think sila excited, partner.
No, yeah, may ko pala partner na wala nila ginambal, i-break, so go.
Galing. Hindi ka ba excited? Gusto niyo i-match ko man ka mo? Ako?
Nonchalant, mga precious. Ano naman? Diba? Sino ang excited? Hands up, Gabriela!
May mga excited na partner. Ikaw ka rin gusto nila i-match.
Or, akang walang bang step. Diba?
Yes, very on-flick ka pa, partner.
So, I think, magkabalok ko, may ara, kung graduate. And may ara, 1 year supply sa mga PLK.
Wow! Namo sila budget today.
Oo. Ara, manual machine, pangkabuhay showcase, hand busy appliances. Ara siya sa isa ka box, leader Raymond. So, ito yung partner.
Ako man partner, excited naman ko. So let's begin our program. To formally start, may we invite everyone to stand up and place themselves in the most holy presence of the Lord.
Bless everyone present today, and each one able to share his own contributions to the needs. Grant goodness and seeking your peace, bless our service room, and restore peace and goodness to all of us. We ask for the wisdom and grace to use our parents for the betterment of others. May the various activities of the group this day be a success, be an introduction. We thank you for after this prayer, your name.
Amen. So may that prayer guide us throughout today's session.
Please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Okay, so it is an honor to welcome all of you to this meaningful event focused on the theme Guidance in the Modern World, Preparing Students for Life and Career. In an era marked by constant change and increasing societal demands, the role of guidance has never been more vital. Today, learners are navigating a fast-paced world driven by technology, innovation, evolving career paths, and the need for emotional flexibility and resilience. As teachers, guidance providers, and mentors, our responsibility extends beyond academic instruction. We are here to guide students in discovering who they are, identifying their strengths, and making wise, informed decisions about their future. Modern guidance goes textbooks. It embraces life skills, development, emotional and social competence, digital awareness, and helping students cultivating purpose and direction. This program offers us valuable opportunity to reflect on our practices, gain new insights, and reaffirm our dedication to equip students not only for the classroom, but for the real life. May today's session encourage us to build stronger, more meaningful pathways that will support our learners as they grow, thrive, and pursue their chosen career with confidence. Thank you very much, and once again, welcome to this event. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sophia. I am an inspired message. So, partner, lahat nila. Kung mabalaan, kung kamusta, gusto ko mag-mental siya sa atin, na fresh. Kamusta ang exam and Halloween? So, on a scale of 1 to 5, pwede nyo ma-rate kung sino ang mental health. 1, so halfway na rin ko guys. Mag-Christmas na ka? Or 5? Kaya ko pa, let's go.
Isend mo na kay Miss.
Kung ay, hindi sila ka partner ka, ano no?
Ano sila magpamatid, partner?
Na-recitation sa tubo. Since all comes worth it. So, heads up God, na yan kinakapoy na. Ay, why is it kinakapoy?
Wala kinakapoy ang first year, means talande, ang very energetic. Pero hindi ko mapilang energy, partner.
Okay, turning aside. Wow, I really love your face. Can you stand? I really dig your face. I feel
Big
like,
chest talaga, partner. Today.
Yeah.
Yeah, so acknowledge sa iyo ng
I'm darling, and then you lose your name.
Yun si Danny. Si Danny. Danny.
Super tired sa galing partner today.
Yung kapoy ng Reyna ng Quezon City. Wow! Feeling ko mag-vibe kami.
Yes, very same outfit every day.
Backdrop, okay, diba? Love, sustainable bodies. So anyway, so ang mga ginagawa na training,
Yes.
Considering at one lang sa ito very minimum para ma-optimist spirit. Considering naman na side. O, kapag view sila ay contact sa ako, no?
Napakulo-kulo sila partner, nagpapamapit sila, kasi hindi sila pilingon. video para sa likod.
Grabe. Naging threaten. So, sabihin ko nga size sa pangka. What's your name? And on a scale of 1 to 5, kamusta ka na?
My name is Jake, and if I will make my situation right now, it would be number 4.
Wow, number 4. Grabe, yung pag-in.
Exactly. So, yes, one partner. But close to 5 ang nila na-answer.
Mga 4 lang. Diin si 1. Sa 5 daw. Apoy sa daw.
Kapoy. So, tamo, kita nila subong ang kapoy. So, okay lang na because this session is here to lift you, guide you, and bring clarity to your students' journey.
And speaking of energy, diin ko need talang energizer bestie.
Yes, i-boost tayo ng mga energy today, guys.
Please tap. Kasi harap kami for surprise. So we're kicking off this morning's session that is guaranteed to be unforgettable.
We're talking about the viral sensation, the dance that makes us all likely question our coordination. Tony Scholars Privado.
Sing ang fan ni Mami Ami! Hands up!
Tawag kami pinag-ligan ni partner.
So it's pure fun, it's infectious, and it definitely gets the whole room moving. So mag-select ang Mami Ami. Mga memes, ganyan partner. Very active sa TikTok, mga people. Although may mga iba na kung na naghugyaw pagkakapit kay Mami Ami.
Yes, na-energize sila galing kay Mami Connie.
So, privado, the message behind privado, which means private, is actually one of the most crucial lessons you can learn about personal boundaries and respect.
Exactly, partner. We are embracing the fun to talk about something foundational. So consent, safety, and understanding is our right to privacy. It's education disguised as a dance party.
So, I think some of you are most of you kapatid sa very viral na kanta sa Bongo, which is patawa, yes. But let's be real. It's very educational and important to know na sa mga gagmay, siya rin ang kasagawa sa Pocomelo. So, as early as bata pa, it is important na kabalik na sila sa boundaries, especially when it comes sa mga sexual boundaries. Right? So that, sino mga gender, pero mostly kabalik sa mga and vulnerable among sa mga predators. So, I hope this presentation to be led by our fourth-year manons and manons will energize your spirit ito mga dunod sa mga utang ito.
Yes, partner. So crashes, make some space and get ready to move. Let's give a huge round of applause and get ready to follow the lead of our amazing fourth-year manons and manons as they bring us the free battle dance energizer.
I breathe